Hey, what's up everybody? It's Uncle Mad. We are in the kitchen today because we've got some Thanksgiving leftovers and we're gonna try something very different with them this year. Shout out Josh Elkin, shout out Jesta. She sent me Josh's TikTok making leftover Thanksgiving tacos. I'll link his original TikTok in the description down below so you can check it out, but we're gonna take his idea, do our own little spin with it, you know, because that's the cool thing about Thanksgiving leftovers is whatever you got, you can throw it into your sandwich that you would usually do. This year, we're doing tacos. I may have mumbled and jumbled a little bit of that, but you get the point. Let's cook. So this, I think, is probably what's gonna be the key part, the game changer to the recipe. You take your tortilla for your taco. This is the key to any tacos. Find a way to make the tortillas better. A little bit of gravy. A swirl of gravy there. Got crushed up standard stovetopper stuffing mix. Just gonna put that in there, make a nice little crust on our taco shell. It's almost like a, it's almost getting more like almost like a, what are those called? Chalupa? More than a taco almost, with like the kind of baked crust, fried crust. You could even probably fry this if you wanted to maybe. But we're gonna bake it in the oven for like 400 degrees. Nice little crust there. You do this on like a wire rack if you got one that you can balance, but you just kind of want to set it up to where they'll kind of sit even. We're gonna put that right into the oven at 400 for about 3-5 minutes, it said in the video. Now this is where you can kind of get a little creative, kind of mix it up, do what you want with it, because a lot of this is gonna depend on what your family eats for Thanksgiving. Because I have learned recently that apparently mac and cheese is not a common Thanksgiving dish the way I thought it was. I thought everybody ate mac and cheese at Thanksgiving, but apparently that's more of a southern thing. So we're gonna have mac and cheese. I'm actually gonna use mac and cheese because I'm like, it's cheese. You gotta have cheese on your tacos. It makes sense to me. But obviously, first thing we gotta do is we gotta get our turkey on there. We got some good old leftover turkey. We'll just shred it up a little bit, throw that in there. Yes. All right, then like I said, we're gonna go mac and cheese because it's a taco. So to me, it makes sense. You need cheese on a taco, so mac and cheese, perfect kind of cheese element for this type of dish. So we're gonna go mac and cheese here. That's where I'm gonna vary it up a little bit. I'm gonna do one with mashed potatoes and one with some little stuffing. So I got some mashed potatoes and I got some stuffing. I didn't know which one would go better, so we'll do one with mashed potatoes, we'll do one with stuffing. A little extra gravy just for the flavors. It was probably too much, which is gonna make this messier than it needs to be. And then, just for a little color, as Josh did in his video, the Jessica Special, the specially sliced, canned, delicious cranberry sauce. All right, now we're just ready to give it a shot. All right, sorry, nice. Oh God, we almost lost it. I do this every time I try to make a meal. I almost throw it on the floor right for you. But we got our nice looking leftover tacos ready to go. Let's go mashed potatoes first. Let's try the mashed potato one first. Cheers. Bon appetit. I don't even know where to start with this thing. Mmm. Mmm. Yeah. Mmm. Yeah. As I suspected, coating the shell, the tortilla, in the stuffing mix, that's a game changer. Mmm. That one's good. Let's give the one with the dressing a chance. Where to start? Where do we go first? Let's go this side. Oh, look at that. Just a little bit of gravy. Little gravy drip. Mmm. Love it. Mmm. Get stuff down in there. It's all coming out of the seams. Okay, So I think this is a definite winner, a definite nice alternative to the traditional leftover Thanksgiving sandwich. The stuffing mix on the tortilla shell is definitely a game changer. It elevates it so much. I think the one I made with the stuffing in the taco was probably the one I prefer over the one that I made with the mashed potatoes. But once again, that's always the cool thing about Thanksgiving leftovers is it's all dependent on what you have, what your family cooked, what you've got left over, what you can make with. There's 100 different combinations, 100 different ways you could make this and throw in there. So if you want to copy this, go for it. Throw your own stuff together. Check out the original TikTok, is linked down below for probably a better, more professional presentation of how to make it. But definitely try this. Definitely try new things. I saw another one I want to try. I don't know if I'm going to get a chance to do it, and I don't know if we'll have enough leftovers to do it, enough time to do it. But let me know, what do you do with your leftovers? Are there more options? Are there more creative, outside the box things that people are doing out there with Thanksgiving leftovers? I'm always open to new things. I'm always open to new challenges. Drop those down in the comments down below. Maybe we'll try one on the channel while we've got some leftovers left still. That was weird. Thanks for watching as always. We're right into the cusp of the holiday season. It's right around the corner. Christmas is coming sooner than you know. That was weird. Been decorating for the last couple days. That video is going to be coming out soon. I love the holidays. It's a great time of year. It's a great time to make content. Everything's going to be popping off on the channel. I don't know if it'll be popping off, but it'll be here. So subscribe if you haven't done so already. And until the next time, enjoy your life.